In 2011, ReNew embarked on an ambitious mission to create a carbon-free world by accelerating the clean energy transition. With a remarkable 17.4 gigawatt clean energy portfolio spread across more than 150 sites, ReNew now contributes nearly 10% of India's clean energy generation capacity. Our journey is marked by significant milestones. We were the first company in the country to cross the 1 gigawatt, 2 gigawatt and 5 gigawatt thresholds, and we are among the fastest in the world to surpass the 10 gigawatt mark. From commissioning India's tallest wind turbine to being the first renewable company recognized as a World Economic Forum lighthouse for digitization, ReNew has consistently pioneered sustainable progress. From being India's leading clean energy provider, we have now evolved into a comprehensive decarbonization solution provider, offering energy services, green fuels, energy storage solutions, and energy markets to corporates and governments to meet their net zero commitments. Committed to the nation's Make in India vision, our focus has shifted to solar manufacturing, steering India towards self-reliance and establishing it as a global manufacturing hub. Our state-of-the-art solar manufacturing facilities in Gujarat and Rajasthan are crucial in strengthening India's renewable energy supply chain. Our 4 gigawatt solar module manufacturing facility in Jaipur is one of the largest under one roof, producing over 15,000 solar modules every day.
It has also received LEED Gold certification
for its energy efficiency, with the facility partly powered by a 7.2 megawatt solar rooftop system that offsets 7.16 million kilograms of CO2 annually. Our Dholera plant spreads across 55 acres, boasts a 2.4 gigawatt solar module capacity and a 2.5 gigawatt solar cell manufacturing capacity, capable of producing over 8,000 modules and 700,000 cells per day. The cell line in Dholera is a zero liquid discharge facility with a daily capacity of 140 kiloliters. Equipped with cutting-edge German technology, robotics, and AI-driven diagnostics, we ensure that every cell and every module is crafted to the highest standards of quality, precision, and operational excellence. Beyond our operations, we are making a profound impact on local economies by creating jobs and transforming the lives of 1.4 million people. We are empowering communities through climate education, women entrepreneurship, and energy access programs. These initiatives are designed to uplift those most affected by climate change, offering them a brighter and a more sustainable future. Sustainability is the core of our mission. Every aspect of our manufacturing process is meticulously designed to minimize environmental impact while maximizing energy efficiency. This commitment ensures that we not only lead in clean energy, but also set a benchmark for responsible and sustainable practices.
At ReNew, our mission is clear and unwavering: to lead the global clean energy transition with impact, sustainably, equitably, and responsibly. ReNew has always been at the forefront of innovation in the clean energy sector, and this continues with our focus now on solar manufacturing. Aligned with Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision of Make in India, we are committed to transforming India into a global manufacturing hub. Our goal is to produce the highest quality solar panels and cells, and to do so sustainably at our state-of-the-art facilities in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Ensuring top quality is not just a priority, it's a promise to our customers. As we forge ahead in this journey, we are deeply committed to powering 5.9 million homes annually, empowering communities and driving change that transforms lives and creates a brighter, better tomorrow for all. With ReNew solar panels, you're not just investing in technology, you're investing in a future that is carbon-free. Together, let's shape the future of energy and build a greener, cleaner, and a more sustainable world.